If you don't want to end up like this guy and his runaway boat, you have to wear your kill switch. If you don't have one, stay with me because I will show you how to install one in your boat. This is a center console boat with a Johnson system that didn't have a kill switch, and we're gonna install one. First thing to do is go online and find a switch that will work in your boat. Then we go online and look for ignition wiring diagram for Johnson or Evinrude. It's always gonna be the same. As you can see here, the black and yellow cable is the one that turns off your engine. So what we gotta do is connect one of the cables from the switch to the black and yellow, and the other cable will go to ground. Now go to your boat and go under the console and try to identify the cable. This is how it looks like. These are the killer switch cables. I was able to find an easy ground that came from one of the meters. Then I cut the yellow wire and connected it three-way with the white one coming from the kill switch. I put them together with this waterproof butt connector. Try not to go cheap on this because this is a very important connection. And then I heat it up with this nice little torch that I found in the gas station for like $5. After that, find a place in the console near the switch and open a hole with a drill. Now you gotta test it a few times and make sure it works. Set up the cable ties with a couple zip ties under the console. It's always good to retest and make sure it works. So this is how you install a kill switch on your boat. Now it's time to go for a test drive. If you have any question, don't forget to leave it down there. And don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos. Thank you so much.